I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS Form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next. Now here search and select GiveWP. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. Click on Connect. Successfully connected with GiveWP. Click Next. Choose an action from the drop-down. I am selecting Create a Donor. Now do the field mapping. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to GiveWP. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now navigate to the GiveWP dashboard. Go to the donors list. Here is the data that came into GiveWP through the integration. Thanks for watching.